We just completed an installation of the PCS 500 in the CARTI Surgery Center in Little Rock, Arkansas. The building on screen is right across the street from this facility. If you can hear the sound just kicked in for the main start page, that is coming off of the ProCentric pillow speaker, the LG pillow speaker. So I'm going to put the portal page back up on screen. So I'm going to put the portal page back up on screen. And from there, this is normally where the TV would start to, right here on the AccuWeather channel. I am going to hit the guide button. We'll pull up the channel guide. I can arrow up and down one line at a time, or I can page a page at a time. Or if I want to directly tune to something, all I have to do is hit the number of the channel I want to tune to. The TV will tune right there. This will actually time out in 30 seconds, or you can hit enter and it'll actually go to full screen. And you'll notice that you get a banner across the top giving you an idea of the start and end time of the program, as well as a little bit of a description of what was in the program. You can always pull that back up by hitting the info button on your remote control. Or you can hit the guide button, go to full guide, or portal button to go to the start page. This video content, we've got 110 channels coming in here off of a DirecTV 400 COM 400. It's a one rack unit high unit, or one RU system, and the PCS 500 is mounted one space above it. That is also a one RU unit.